While searching Google Earth for somewhere new to explore, I came across something strange. At first glance, it didn't look like much, just a formation, quiet, almost unnoticeable. But something about it felt off, too straight, too out of place, almost like it didn't belong there at all. The more I looked at it, the more it started to feel man made. But I needed proof. So I turned to Google's historical imagery and went as far back as I could, 2006. And that was when things started to change. As I moved through the years, the shape became even clearer, more defined. By 2012, it was impossible to ignore. This wasn't natural. This was something built, something intentional. But what was it? Looking for answers, I went even further back. This time, not digitally, but historically. I checked the James Robertson 1804 map of the area, and what I found raised even more questions. The exact location was labeled as pond. A pond? That didn't match what I was seeing at all. At this point, I had more questions than answers, and there was only one way to find out the truth. I had to go there myself, and what I found was really not what I expected.
So the next piece of the wall, guys, when these things are so huge, see over there, whoa, yo.